In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Yesware email tracking for Outlook. By the end, you'll have the Yesware add-in installed in Outlook on the web, so you can track opens and link clicks right from your inbox. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and look for the official Outlook site from Microsoft. Click through and sign in to your mailbox if you're prompted. This guide uses Outlook on the web, which gives you quick access to the add-in store where we'll install Yesware. Once you're inside your inbox, begin by clicking New Mail. This opens the Compose window and reveals the toolbar we need. At the top of that Compose window, find the square icon with a box inside it. This is the Apps or Add-ins button in Outlook. Click it, and from the menu that appears, choose Get Add-ins. If you don't see the exact wording, it might simply say Add-ins. Either way, it takes you to the same store. In the add-in store, use the search bar and type Yesware. You're looking for the listing called Yesware Sales Engagement. When you see it in the results, click the name to open its details page. Here you can review what the add-in does and the permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Add. Outlook may ask you to confirm or accept permissions. Approve the prompt to continue. If you're using a work or school account, your organization may require an administrator to approve the add-in. In that case, follow your company's process and return here once it's approved. After it's added, close the store and go back to your Compose window. You should now see Yesware available in your toolbar or as an option in the Apps menu. That means you can start using Yesware in Outlook. If it's your first time, the add-in may ask you to sign in to your Yesware account inside Outlook so tracking features can function. Also, look for a tracking toggle when composing an email to ensure opens and clicks are recorded. If you want quicker access in the future, you can pin the add-in in Outlook so it's always visible while composing. That's it. You opened Outlook, started a new message, went to Get Add-ins, searched for Yesware, selected Yesware Sales Engagement, clicked Add, and now it's ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sending tracked emails with confidence in Outlook.